Nossa festa do fim de semana vai me parar.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are wandering my brain on the, I don't know what this game's name, sorry I didn't read it actually, because I don't have let's play. Yeah, we are wandering my friend. And if you like this video and you want to do this again, hit the like button or subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want me to make more from this game actually. And I'll make more for you guys. Let me lock in. Oh, I'm dead! You have 2 points already. Nah, I can't let him beat me. Okay. I'm locking in, guys. I'm locking in, guys. I see him coming here. Okay, he's not coming. Alrighty, guys. I will tell you the game's name if you wanna try it out. Try this game out, guys. My first ever video. You know why I'm not feeling so nervous? Because last time on my old channel, I post like 4 videos. Yeah, 4 videos. Say 5 or 4. On my old channel. I try was not so nervous for you guys. Yeah. This don't forget to like the video, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers, then I can go live. Actually, and if you want me to go live, I will go live for you guys. Until 50 subscribers, I'll go live. Make the videos for you guys, go live, talk to you instead. Yeah, now let me lock it now. Let me just found him. I see him. I see the. Yeah, this is my friend. He have Robux. He's a very young boy. He's actually younger than me. I'm only 15. I'm turning 16 on November the 17th. I will make a video so you guys can use my birthday. Ouch. Yeah. Then don't forget guys, November, I will say it in the description. Oh well, I will say it in the chat. It is my birthday. And if you guys sing happy birthday to me, I'll be very happy. Actually. You guys, I'll be very happy for you guys saying happy birthday to me. Guys, okay, don't subscribe yet. Keep the subscribe button until I hit I just need one more subscribe. Let's subscribe. Let's go hit 60 subscribers on my birthday. Actually, freak, he's killing me with a knife now. Okay, that's bad. Okay, I'm locking in. Okay, beat him with my shovel. I only put stuff now, guys. Only now, the right. Few minutes ago. I just need 1 point. Where you at? Come on, I just need 1 point. With 1 point. I can't lose on my video. But it's fine. The next round I'll win, guys. The next round. I'll beat him many times. Okay. I'm gonna tell him I'm making a video. Well, nah, I'm not gonna. It's okay. It's fine. I'll tell him on WhatsApp later after the video's finish. Yeah, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Leave a comment. If you wanna let me make more on this game, 1v1. My friend on Roblox. I'll teach you this guys. If let me 1v1 here. Anytime what you guys, give me a comment name. Which one let me do this game again? Or another gun game actually. Like Rivals. I'm very good on that game actually. I play that game a lot. I lost. Yeah. That game is actually my favorite game. Rivals is actually my favorite game. They see me on my name. I say, why am I new? Oh my days, you have a pink sniper! You have a gun sniper! Shoot. Stay there. Gotcha. Got you lagging, bro. Bro, wanna stop me. Nice. What is it? Oh, yes. Nah, I don't know why I'm hosting. Oh, yes. I see then. Whoop. Why is Eggley standing still? Yeah. Oh, he left. Okay, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Basically, it's a short video for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I want to hit 60 subscribers on my birthday. I want to hit that number. You can help me out. I know, yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribing to my channel, supporting it, commenting it. It was my old channel. I never get so much comments. I'm a new one now. Thank you guys for the comments and the subscribers and likes. I love you all. Don't forget, I'll tell you when it's my birthday. I will only hit 60 subscribers on my birthday, guys. That's almost there. It's still very far. Still pretty more far. He rage quit because he was losing. He was losing the fight. Yeah. We were playing now the whole time, I think, guys. The whole time. Yeah, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.